Thug Kitchen Party Grub. Yum. This cookbook is easy to follow, the ingredients are easy to find, and best yet, the recipes are super flavorful. The book is divided into 5 categories, so let's go over them. And I should warn you that if you want to be a guest on the guest list for this book, you can't be offended by a little bit of profanity. So when you're reading the directions, you will be laughing hysterically out loud because they are infused with maybe some F-bombs and other funny sayings. So just be aware if that is offensive to you, this is not the cookbook for you. The book is divided into 5 categories, and the first one is Wake and Bake Some Shit. That includes badass breakfast and bougie brunches. Love the alliteration. Number 2 is Party Like a Bleeping Champ. And that includes small bites, dips, and stuff to throw into bowls. Category number 3 is Dress to Impress, and that includes salads, sauces, and sides. The fourth one is Bon Appetit Mother Beep. Not going to say that word. Let's see, potluck staples and main dishes. And the last category is Spin the Bottle, and that includes desserts, drinks, and sides of sweetness. So the book is super easy to follow. Recipes are very straightforward. The font is easy to read. There are some illustrations and, like I said, some pretty funny graphics and things in there. Some amazing recipes. One of my favorites besides the spinach dip is the carrot dogs. Don't knock them until you try them. Like I said, this recipe book is easy to follow. The ingredients are easy to find. And best yet, the recipes are super flavorful. So if you are looking to infuse some more plants in your diet, Thug Kitchen Party Grub, yum.